sustainable, low carbon and green economy a step towards the National Development Plan. This imperative is driven by our need to ensure energy security and reduce our reliance on the imported oils. This is also driven by our need to address the global climate change crisis with economic, environmental, human health, and social impact for an efficient and globally competitive economy. This is driven by our need to develop and adopt the innovation technologies to grow in these sectors in India. The automotive sector is one of the major sources of greenhouse gas emission. The transport sector accounts for 30% of carbon emission in the atmosphere. The sector is third largest contributor to air pollution. Roosevelt once said, "Future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." For many years from now, NSIT Solar Car team had a dream that was shared by many. Today, I am honored to share this dream with you all. Mobility is what drives us. Being mobile and is always be a basic human need. Mobility drives progress. It gives a people a sense of freedom and individuality. This brings growth, employment, and prosperity. I invite you all to join me in this journey of innovation and evolution. A journey which symbolizes the human spirit of change that is making a new low carbon footprint green solar vehicle. I thank our college to give the support for this endeavor. Thank you all once again who are directly and indirectly involved in this project. God bless all of us. God bless NSIT Solar Car team and God bless NSIT. The quest to lead, the quest to conquer. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for those motivational words. It is often said, and it is believed that yes, pain is temporary, but what comes next is glory, and glory actually remains forever. Today, it brings me and whole of the NSIT Solar Car Team Society immense pride to present you all our fourth solar car project, Phoenix One, that is in the display for all of you. In 2007, our seniors saw a dream of achieving something big and unbelievable. And thus, NSIT Solar Car concept, the society, came into existence. In 2007, our seniors built the first ever solar car to be made, the Advay-1, ADVAY-1, the Advay-1 solar car, which secured the second position in South African Solar Challenge dynamic events and actually got the opportunity to showcase its project at the Auto Expo held in Delhi annually. So that's a big thing to achieve, and it was quite a big milestone for us. And after that, though I would accept, yes, there have been many pauses in our society, but no, there was no stopping at all. And here, it brings me immense proud to present you our fourth successful project, the Phoenix One. I'm really obliged to, I have the man behind the solar car project that was started, the Advay-1 in 2007. I have the man himself among our audience. I would like to take this opportunity to call Aniket sir on stage for the Ankur Gupta sir on stage to share his own words of experience with him on his very first solar car Advay-1. So Ankur sir, can you please make your way to the stage?
Everyone, it's been a pleasure to come here, and I don't have any speech ready, but I'll tell you my experience. I was the first one who had the idea of making the solar car in way back 2007. 2008 Moksha had the same inauguration in Moksha. On the first day I told all the members that this is the future technology, and 10 down later I will come in the same college to inaugurate another solar car, and my dream is coming true actually. And I would say to all the students, all the juniors, keep working on this technology. It will actually help you go a long mile. All my colleagues are in US now, so none of them can join us. But I'll tell you, like in the, I was sharing my this placement dream. The company, first company BHL came into the college, and it has a of marketing. Basically, they took all the toppers of the class. They take every year they take all the toppers in the class during our time placement. And I was not the topper. But the question they asked me was the solar car team, and I gave them the list. These are the 15 members, and you will be surprised to know, you can check out over there. Everyone was placed in the first company. They gave the interview, and during the interview only they asked one question: do you belong to solar car? What's your name? They had the list. Okay, go. You are selected. So I'll tell you, the juniors, that if you continue being, and you have to work day and night. It's not a project you can do easily. You have to work day and night. Or everyone was saying that थोड़ी problem आती है, ये आती है, वो आती है. I was the first one who thought of a project like this. And in front of me, there was only one project. IIT Delhi made it in 2006, and that was a big failure. So I was competing against the best institute in India, and that was also a failure in the project was also a failure in that institute. And during our time, I went to South Africa. I met an accident. Still, I won the second in our group and third overall. So I tell you, the juniors, you have to work really hard, and it will pay you miles. I am coming here around 9 years later, and still I am linked with the solar car. Everyone knows me through Ankur Gupta solar car. So it will pay you. You have to keep working. और शिद्दत से लगे रहो, भगवान पक्का करेगा. next competition you have to go, because learning over there is a very great thing. What you learn in 4 years here, in 15-20 days that you learn, you will get to know about the international levels, and you get to know the learning around the world. So you get a whole new thing to learn. So I would urge that agar is competition you cannot go to the Egypt this year, try for the next competition and keep bringing the team along and try the next one. All the best to everyone.
Thank you, Ankur sir, for those words, and I really apologize for pronouncing your name incorrectly. Now I would like to call upon the guy who held the team together, and without whom this project would not have been completed. I would like to call upon stage our captain, Siddharth Kumar Singh. I'm behind Phoenix One, guys. He has worked really hard in the project. He's holding the team together.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I take immense pride in presenting in front of you all Phoenix One, the fourth car of NSIT Solar Car team. The words are true, I did work hard, but no one can deny this project is one of the most difficult projects students are working on anywhere across the globe. And the team that we are, is amazing. The hard work that we have done, the team, everyone from electrical, mechanical, managerial, everyone has been amazing and awesome. This car, to give you an example, runs on a 3 kWh battery, which is equivalent to a microwave oven, or basically any appliance found in the kitchens. It can cover around 150 kilometers in one single charge. It is grid independent, that is, you need not connect it to the grid to recharge it. And also, it can run up to the speeds of around 75 kilometers per hour on a long stretch of road. The body of the car has been made this time using carbon fiber reinforced polymer, which has reduced its weight immensely. This car, along with the driver, weighs around 300 kgs. To give you an idea, the Swift weighs around 980 kgs without the driver. This car can accelerate up to 40 kilometers per hour from zero within 4.6 seconds. If we are not wrong, that was what we measured. It was not very accurate, but 4.6 seconds. And the solar cells that we are using, though not as efficient, are able to provide us 5 amperes of current to charge the battery. Thank you all for being here, and we take all pride to present this car. Now I would like to request our director, Dr. Yogesh sir, to please flag off the car.
Driver guys. जल्दी बैठ। अच्छा सामने से हटोगे तो कार चलेगी। प्लीज सामने से हट जाओ।
Guys, presenting you Phoenix 1.
अरे आप भी लाइव हो गए, आपने भी लाइव कर रखा है क्या? मैंने भी करा। मगर कहाँ से करूँ? अरे
शाइनिंग करते हुए इसकी अच्छी आई
अंदर भी मैंने
Actually looks great live, better than the videos.
thanks everyone for watching.